Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Calendar to your Vectal account. For that you need to go to the calendar section inside Vectal, and as you can see it's not connected right now. You just click connect and follow the steps inside the setup guide. It's really simple, but let's do it also on this video. So first of all, you need to go to Google Console. You can also click the links, like the links are always here at the bottom. Just click on that link and you see the instructions here. You need to create a new project. You can name it however you want, and it will have an ID auto generated. Let me log in first. So I just logged in. So basically you just click this button and then you will be directed to this website here, to console.cloud.google.com. Just create a project. You can name it however you want, as I said. For example, Vectal Calendar. And then you click create. And then you need to wait a little bit so the project is created. Let's wait a little bit, and now it's perfect. It's created. Now you need to select from the top here, that's new created project. In my case it's Vectal Calendar. You need to click on that project and let's follow the guide here. Next step, right now we need to enable the required Google APIs, which are Google Calendar API and People API. And here are the instructions. Make sure you have the correct project selected in the top drop down we did just right now. After that you need to enable both APIs for complete functionality. Click enable on each one of them. So for that, click to this one here. It will direct you to Google Calendar, the Calendar API. Just click enable. The same with the second one, enable People API. And then click enable. Then wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, Google Calendar is enabled and People API is also enabled. After that you can click next step, and here you see what you need to do. You just need to click get started to begin the configuration. Before that you just click this link here, so it will be easier to continue. Let me close the other tabs. So here, get started is the first step. Step 1, app information. You need to enter an app name. In this case, it doesn't matter what it is. It can be again Vectal Calendar. And then you need to enter your email address. It's already here. Next, audience. You need to select external. It also says here, choose external. External, perfect. Next, contact information. You need to type your email address again. In my case, let me type it quickly. Perfect. And then finish. Check the box to agree on Google API services. Finish. Check the box. Continue. Then create. Then perfect. Then it's finished. This step is finished. Let's go to the next step. In this step, as you can see, you have another link. Let's click to the link first of all. Click plus create credentials and then auth client ID. So here you see we need to click this one, create credentials, auth client ID. Choose web application, name is whatever you want, and then you need to enter those two URLs below. Okay, here we need to select web application. Again, I can call it Vectal Calendar. And then we need to enter those two here. Authorized JavaScript origins. I copy this. Authorized JavaScript origins. I enter it here. The same with the redirect URIs. I enter it here. And then I click create. Perfect. And as you can see, we have the client ID and the client secret here. Do not share them with anyone, otherwise they can also connect their Vectal accounts to your calendar. You can copy them right now. Let me copy them quickly. First the client ID, then the client secret. You can note them somewhere down because we're going to use them at the last step. I click. You can also leave this tab open, so you can also copy it later on. Now next step. Now we need to add test users. So for that, again, click to the link so it will be opened. After that, go to the audience page, verify published status shows testing. So here, published status testing, perfect. And to the test users, we need to add the users. Go down, test users, you need to add yourself. Again, enter your email address, Gmail address. Perfect, save. Click save and then it's finished. Now complete setup. We can finish this save and perfect. Now setup complete, ready to enter your credentials. Right now we can enter the credentials. You can click continue and the page we didn't close, it's still here as you can see. We need to paste the client ID here. Client ID, I copy this. Here's the client ID. I copy the client secret here. Here's the client secret. Save configuration. Perfect. After that, you need to log in with your Gmail account. And for that, you need to click to authorize access. And it will open a new page here, a new segment you see. Click to your Gmail account. You can log in with that. And as you can see, it's asking for permissions for those two APIs, the People API, to see download your contacts, and Google Calendar. You can allow them and it's finished. As you can see, it's synchronizing. I can go, for example, to yesterday. I had something yesterday on my calendar and I can see everything on my Vectal account. So my Google Calendar is basically connected to my Vectal calendar. So that's it. That's how you can connect your Google Calendar to your Vectal account. Thanks for watching and see you another video.